Hi everyone, I'm going to be going over the discussion 2 post, the epidemiological description of a disease. I want you to pick any disease, any infectious disease that appears in the United States. I want you to include the frequency of the disease within the past 10 years, so it does not have to be 10 years, but I want it to be, I want you to state the time, the dates that you found it from. So from 2011 to 2015, maybe you only found 1 year of it being included, maybe just 2017 research frequency listed. I also want you to discuss the transmission of the disease and how basically how people get infected. Do they get infected from a mosquito? Do they get infected by another person? Sexual transmission? Do they get infected? How? I also want you to go over the risk factors for the disease. Who is more susceptible to becoming infected? And I want you to discuss the prevention and the treatment of the disease. What's the most current research? If you picked Ebola, are you including how that there is a new vaccine for it? I also want you to cite your sources, make sure they are reliable sources. Did you get this information from the CDC? Did you get this information from the WHO? Not, did you get this information from someone's blog? After you finish presenting on your disease, I then want you to go to another student's post and I want you to elaborate on their disease. So, for example, if I picked yellow fever and I went through all the highlights of yellow fever, then I would go to, say, Terry's post and his was on HIV. And I would elaborate, giving more details on HIV, maybe the history of HIV. So that is the summary of your post. You're also going to record it and I want you to post it so other people can see it. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you're having a wonderful week and have a great day. Thanks.